Today, I'm going to deliver a speech on a very important topic. 5 steps to speak English fluently. Many people think that speaking English is very difficult. They believe that only intelligent people can speak English. Step 1. Thinking in English. The first and most important step is to stop thinking in your native language and start thinking in English. Most learners make a big mistake. They start thinking Urdu, then translate into English and then speak. This process takes time and creates hesitation. For example, instead of thinking मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ, how to say this in English? Train your mind to think directly. I'm going to the market. In the beginning, your thoughts will be small and simple, but slowly your brain will adjust. Thinking in English makes speaking faster and more natural. Step number 2. Learn daily use sentences, not grammar rules first. Many students start English by memorizing grammar rules. They learn tenses, definitions, and structures, but still they can't speak English. Why? Because speaking English is not about rules, it's about usage. So, learn daily use sentences like, how are you? What are you doing? I don't understand English. Please repeat. Let's go. These sentences are used in daily life. When you learn such sentences, you start speaking immediately without fear. Grammar will improve automatically with practice. Step number 3. Practice speaking daily means mirror practice. The third step is daily speaking practice. Stand in front of mirror and speak for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Talk about your day, your family, your plans, or any topic. When you speak in front of mirror, you notice your facial expressions, confidence, and mistakes. This practice removes hesitation and builds confidence. Remember, English is learned by speaking, not by reading only. Step number 4. Listen to English every day. To speak about English, you must first listen to good English. Listen to English videos, English news, English conversations, English stories. Listening improves your pronunciation, sentence structure, and vocabulary. Your mind starts copying the way native speakers talk. Even if you don't understand anything, keep listening. Your brain is learning silently. Number 5. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. This is the most powerful step. Most people know English, but they don't speak because they are afraid of making mistakes or being laughed at. Remember one thing, mistakes are proof that you are learning. A child falls many times before learning to walk. Similarly, you will make mistakes before speaking fluent English. Speak without fear. Speak without hesitation. Confidence is more important than the perfection. Dear friends, speaking English fluently is not a dream. It is possible for everyone if you follow these 5 steps. Number 1, think in English. Number 2, learn daily use sentences. Number 3, practice speaking daily in front of mirror. Number 4, listen to English every day. Number 5, never fear mistakes. If you follow these steps for just 30 days, you will see a big change in your English speaking. Remember, practice makes progress and confidence makes fluency. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently. Have a great day.